Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get the subscription deals on Black Friday for Noom? Well, Noom's Black Friday deals typically feature significant discounts on annual subscription plans, with offers in previous years reaching up to 50% off a year's plan, essentially providing 12 months for the price of six. There are also other discount structures. Noom has historically offered major discounts on long term commitments, specifically 12 months plan. The common Black Friday offer has been 50% reduction in price per year in long subscription. These deals often require a specific promo code, such as BFCM 2025 or Black Friday 2025, to be applied at checkout. The Black Friday sales primarily target the main Noom Weight program, which is the psychology based weight loss subscription. Discounts on the newer Noom Med programs, which can include meditation management for qualifying individuals, are less common during general sales. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.